Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your router to the internet using Comcast Xfinity. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Comcast Xfinity router. Locate the power adapter and connect it to the router. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Next, find the coaxial cable that came with your router. Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the cable outlet in your wall. Connect the other end of the coaxial cable to the back of your router. Now, locate an Ethernet cable. If not included, you can use any standard Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the router's LAN port. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to your computer or laptop. Open a web browser on your connected device. In the address bar, type in the default router address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 10.0.0.0.1. Press Enter to access the router's login page. When prompted, enter the default username and password, typically found on a sticker on the router or in the manual. Once logged in, follow the setup wizard instructions on the screen. Select your internet connection type, usually DHCP for most users. Input any necessary information provided by your ISP, if prompted. Configure your Wi-Fi network name and password to secure your connection. After completing the setup, click Save or Apply to finalize the process. Restart your router if necessary, following the on-screen prompts. Now, check your internet connection by opening a website. If the connection works, you are all set up and connected to the internet. If you experience issues, double-check all connections and repeat the setup steps as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.